Okay, so let us calculate next sum of calculating standard deviation of to security. So we have been given expected return. Question is calculate expected return and risk from the following data. So please make a table. So here is the security. Here is the return. Here is the standard deviation. Here is the weight. And here is the covariance. So security A or 1. Return is 16, 12, 15, 8. 16, 12, 15, 8. This is in percentage. Weight is 0.6, 0.4. And the covariance is 72 and 0.60. 72 and 0.60. Now, can anybody in the class tell me that how we will calculate this sum? How we will calculate this sum? How we will calculate expected return and the standard deviation of the security? Can anyone in the class tell me? What should I do first? How you will calculate the return? Return of the portfolio and standard deviation of the portfolio. How you will calculate? Can anybody in the class tell me how to calculate the expected return and standard deviation of the portfolio? I'm giving you 5 minutes to revise. I will be asking you, any one of you, I will ask the formula. Any one of you will be asked. जल्दी से 5 मिनट में रिवाइज कर लो. Check the notes which we had prepared previously. But I want answer from you only. This sum is going to be there into your exam. तो आपको आना चाहिए. Yes, Chitra. How we will calculate expected return? What is the formula to calculate expected return of the portfolio? What is the formula to calculate return? Leela. Can you all hear me? Am I audible? Guys, am I audible to all of you or not? Please write me in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Okay, good. Thank you, Jay, for confirming it. Now tell me what is the formula to calculate expected return. Guys, all of you can try. Yes, I'm waiting for your answer, huh, guys. What is the formula to calculate expected return? If you cannot tell me the formula for return, tell me the formula for calculating standard deviation. How we will calculate the standard deviation, Sneha? Can you unmute yourself and can help us to answer this?
Ma'am, weight 1 square standard deviation 1 square plus weight 2 square standard deviation 2 square
Hmm.
plus 2 into weight 1 weight 2 standard deviation 1 standard deviation 2 into coefficient of correlation.
So are we given coefficient correlation in the question? Are we given coefficient correlation in the question?
Can you show
Now,
the question, ma'am?
you people have not wrote it in your book? See, if you will not answer me properly, all of you, I will make sure, I will make it compulsion for all of you to switch on your camera and show me what you have written into your book. Very soon I will be asking this. You will have to switch on your camera. You cannot show yourself. It's perfectly fine. Just show me what you have calculated. I will check every one of yours sum. I ask, suppose मैं पूछती हूँ विद्या को अपना सम, अपना मोबाइल का कैमरा ऑन करके वो सम मुझे दिखाना होगा. मैं आपको यहाँ से स्पॉटलाइट करूंगी, तो सब लोग आपको ही देखेंगे. फिर आपका आंसर मुझे स्क्रीन पर देखना है. ठीक है? Now tell me, is coefficient correlation given here? To calculate the risk, we need coefficient of correlation. Is it given? जिसको हम P से डिनोट करते हैं. P of 1 2 is given or not in the question? Please speak up. Not given, right? तो हम कैसे करेंगे उसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे? How to calculate it? Please tell me. How to calculate the coefficient correlation?
Covariance of A and B multiplied and divided by standard deviation of A and B.
Coefficient, can you just repeat it? Can you just repeat it? I couldn't hear you. Covariance of one security 1 and 2 is given here. How I will find coefficient? How I will find coefficient of correlation? Chitra, you were speaking, or Creamy, you were speaking? I couldn't hear you properly.
I'm speaking.
Yes, Creamy. Yes, Creamy. Tell me. What is the formula to calculate coefficient correlation?
Covariance of A and B divided by standard deviation of A multiplied by standard deviation of 2.
Very good. So coefficient of correlation हम कैसे calculate करेंगे? Coefficient is equal to covariance of 1 and 2 whole divided by SD1 multiply by SD2. Tell me what is the answer? 72 divided by 15 into 8. Tell me the answer. What is the answer? Tell me. All of you, please keep writing. I will ask any one of you to show it to me.
0.6.
The answer is 0.6. So we had got now coefficient. Now can we calculate standard deviation of portfolio? Right? When we calculate standard deviation of portfolio, you will be writing sigma p. I cannot write sigma here, hence I am writing SD. Right? Or we can do this as well. Right? How we will writing the answer? We will be writing an answer like this. Now, sigma of portfolio is equal to square root of SD1 square into weight 1 square, as just before some time Sneha said, SD2 square multiply by weight 2's square plus 2 into weight 1. I hope all of you are writing weight 2 SD1 SD2 and P12, right? All of you must have write the answer. So this is the formula of so this is our formula. Which I am putting here. It will take few minutes. Huh? Okay, so now we have the formula. Okay, now can we write the figures? So is it equal to square root of standard deviation 1? What is the standard deviation of 1? That is 15. 15 square. Standard deviation weight 1. What is the weight 1? 0.6. उसका square plus standard deviation 2. What is standard deviation 2? 8. 8 square into 0.4 square plus 2 into 15 into 8 into 0.6 into 0.4 into 0.6, and this 6 is what? Our coefficient correlation, right? Tell me the final answer after square root of it. Tell me the final answer.
125.8.
125.8 और उसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालोगे तो व्हाट इज द आंसर? 125.8 का स्क्वायर रूट निकालोगे, 125 इज योर वेरिएंस.
11.22.
11.20 11.22 percentage. This is our standard deviation, right? Now, can anybody tell me how we will calculate the return, expected returns for formula? What is the formula for expected return of the portfolio? Let me write it here. How will you will denote it? You will denote it like this, return of portfolio. This is how we will denote it. I hope you can see the screen. The formula is weight 1 into R1. The formula is weight 1 into R1 plus weight 2 into R2. This is the formula for expected return of the portfolio. यहाँ पे अगर 3 रिटर्न होते तो weight 3 into return 3, 4 होते तो weight 4 into return 4. But this is the formula. So all of you can write down this formula. I will just copy it there. So here is the expected return of the portfolio. Again, we will have to wait 2-3 minutes. Meanwhile, I get it at the right place. You people may calculate meanwhile. And please remember both the formula to calculate return as well as to calculate risk. ठीक है? Now, can anybody tell me what is the return 0.6 into what is the expected return of security 1? 16%. And the weight is 0.6. So is equal to 0.6 into 16% plus weight of second 0.4 into how many percentage? 12%, right? 16 and 12. Am I right? Please tell me the final answer.
14.4.
So it is 9.6 plus 4.8. And the final answer is 14.4.
14.4.
14.4%. So कितना रिस्क हमें लेना पड़ेगा 14.4% रिटर्न अर्न करने के लिए? 11.22. Now anybody is having any doubt in this? Anyone is having any doubt in this? Okay, now all of you will show me this sum. I'm giving you 2 minutes still to complete it. I will be asking anybody to switch on their camera and put it in front of the question which you have wrote. All of you are ready? All of you are ready? Okay. Let us start with the Dhananjay. Dhananjay, can you switch on your camera and show it to us?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I guess everybody can see his screen. Good. Dhananjay. I'm happy that you are writing. Very good, Dhananjay. Those who are leaving the meeting will not get the attendance anyway. Vidya, can you show it? Switch on your camera and show it to us. Vidya. Very good. I'm happy that you are writing. Very nice. Very good. Sneha, can you switch on the camera and show it to us?
Is it visible?
It was visible before some time, now it is not. But no worry. You can click the picture and share it in the screen, in the chat box. Yash Agarwal, can you show it to us? Yash Agarwal? Yash, can you show it to me? Show it to me. Switch on your camera. Good. No, it is not visible, Yash. Yash, are you there? You can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yash. What are you saying? Good, Yash. I can see it. Thank you, Yash. Bhavya, can you show it to us? Bhavya, switch on your camera and show me. Bhavya Detharia. Bhavya? I'm not able to see it. Bhavya, can you hear me? Jay, can you show me your sum? Unmute yourself. Bhavya, meanwhile you try Jai Jivani. Switch on your camera and show it to me. Jay, can you hear me? All of a sudden I stopped. Is my
Yes,
voice?
ma'am.
Yeah, good. After this, Leela, you please be ready. Yes, we can see this. Jay, thank you. Can you switch it on again and show it to me, Jay? Okay, good. But your answer is different. 14 था कि 24 था?
14.4.
Okay. Now, Bhavya, can you do it now? Right now, message me, WhatsApp me. Leela, can you switch on your camera and show it to me?
Yes, ma'am.
ये सिर्फ रिटर्न का है, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन का किधर है? वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा उसको जूम करो. बंद हो गया वो. थोड़ा सा देखने दो आंसर क्या है.
मैम वो सेकंड वाला मेरा रॉन्ग आया मैम. फर्स्ट वो स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन का, तो मैं वो एक बार करेक्ट करके मैं आपको भेजूंगी व्हाट्सएप
ठीक
पे.
है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. नेक्स्ट ग्रुप. भव्या, ना आप भेजो. विद्या, विद्या, कैन यू शो इट टू मी? Switch on your camera and show it to me. Bhavya? Not Bhavya, Vidya, sorry, not Bhavya, Vidya. Yes, Vidya, I can see your screen. Good, I'm happy that you are writing. Expected return, very good, very nice, all of you. Okay, so we are ending with this, and I'll take your attendance, and then you people are free to move. Tomorrow we will calculate more sum of the same category. Let me take your attendance. It is 12th April. Kajal, Yash, Chamal,
Present, ma'am.
Viraj, Vidya,
Yes, ma'am.
Kavita, Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya,
Yes, ma'am.
Chitra,
Yes, ma'am.
Charmi, Chandni, Joy,
Yes, ma'am.
Primi,
Yes, ma'am.
Ishita, Dhananjay,
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruvi, Shivangi, Sagar.
Yes.
Sagar, unless and until you will not show me what you have calculated, I will not give you attendance. So, pehle switch on your camera, show me what you have calculated. Can you do that?
Yes.
Please, thank you. I guess I cannot see that. थोड़ा सा आपको zoom करना पड़ेगा. Okay, good. Yes, I can see that now. Okay, good. Bhavya, I received your work. Thank you. So Sagar is present. Leela? Yash?
Yes, ma'am.
Yash Agarwal?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi? Ashwini? Bhavya? Okay, tomorrow we will calculate more sum of standard deviation and this thing. Expected return. Now you may start disconnecting. Thank you all.